we all rely on this icon that you see in front of us.
Yes.
If it wasn't for Gogo, our guest houses wouldn't thrive as they do right now. All the tourism around the area we have built around Dr. Esther Mahlangu.
Yes.
We have a bicycle tour that
So you
is-
use this as a
Yeah.
catalyst.
Yes.
Grow
and there are
grow
many
that
spin-offs to
whole
it.
area.
It's all because of Gogo.
Yes.
For the tourists coming from overseas, riding bikes, coming to the
Yes.
gallery
Mm.
and going to many other places. But we know that they come because there's Gogo here.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming.
Okay, thank you, my brother.
Alright.
Look after Mama.
Thank you so much.